In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache on PS5 and fix performance issues. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your PS5 has been feeling slower than usual, experiencing lags, longer loading times, or other performance issues, clearing the system cache is one of the easiest troubleshooting steps you can try. The cache stores temporary data to help the console run more efficiently. But over time, those files can become outdated or corrupted, which may lead to performance problems. So in this video, I'll show you how to safely clear your PS5's cache and improve your console performance. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to turn off the PS5 because we're going to boot up into save mode. So let's turn off the PS5, press the PlayStation button and go to the power icon, select turn off PS5. Wait for it to turn off completely. And now to enter save mode, you need to press and hold the power button on your PS5 for about 7 seconds. Keep holding it until you hear a second beep. After the second beep, you'll see this on your screen. You need to connect the controller using the USB cable and press the PS button. So go ahead and do that. And now we are in save mode. You can go to option number 6, clear cache and rebuild database. Here just select clear system software cache, confirm the action, and wait for the process to finish. Once your PS5 restarts, you can check whether the performance issues have improved. And that'll be it for this video. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.